같이 엉덩이를 흔들어봐 Gummy Bear. 나는야 Gummy Bear, 그래 난 Gummy Bear. 다 같이 엉덩이를 흔들어봐 Gummy Bear. 나는야 Gummy Bear, 그래 난 Gummy Bear. 다 같이 엉덩이를 흔들어봐 Gummy Bear.
Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to combine D major 48 and G major 16. Let's start. Open Video Track FX, then go to Pan Crop. First keyframe, choose Default. Then drag the handle to the end and edit X and Y center to 0. Now let's go to Video FX tab and search for mirror, then drag and drop the reflect to bottom. Add another mirror effect, but this time choose reflect to right. Great job, we're done editing the video track. Now let's customize the audio track. Right-click the original audio track, then go to Properties. Method is Elastic, then choose Efficient as the stretch attributes and edit pitch to -3. Copy and paste the first audio track, then drag it at the bottom. Change the pitch to 5. Then let us add the G major 16. Add HSL, then customize the hue to 0.620. Next we will add invert. Good job, now let us add the audio track of G major 16. This time we will choose Elastic Pro. Pitch is 0. Copy and paste it, then drag at the bottom. Edit pitch to -3 and drag it at the bottom. And there you have it. Our combined D major 48 and G major 16.